What is happening, guys? Junior's Tech here, back with another video. Now today is another exciting video from a company called Edifier. Now they have came up with a gaming headset that they believe is adequate for today's market, and that is pretty much what we're going to be taking a look at today. So we're going to be seeing if this Edifier G2 surround sound USB gaming headset is what it makes up to be. So why don't we not waste any more time and just get straight into it. So guys, this is what we're looking at. This is the Edifier G2 7.1 surround sound USB gaming headset. So what I'm going to do is, as always, get this unboxed, see what we've got in the box, and we'll start looking through what the headset actually has to offer. So we'll go through that now. I'll speed it up for you, don't worry. So this is what we're working with. So just a little bit off the bat, we have a little bit about the headset itself, a little bit of a user manual, which we always get with products. We do have a removable microphone, which I was really glad to see, and we do also have a microphone cover. So that's definitely something you'll have to think about if that's going to be up your alley, what you want to use, which is quite nice. But we'll come to them a little bit later, and we'll have a look at the headset itself. So let's have a look. So if we look at the cabling itself at the start off, what we've got is a very long cable. I have to admit, they did really well with the cable size, because you never know when these are going to get plugged in or where they're actually going to be accessible, so it is quite nice to see. We have basic USB going on right there, but in the center of the block we do have a little control panel. So we do have a touch to speak microphone button going on right there with a little LED indicator above it. And then what looks like, I'm not sure when we find out in the specifications, we do have what looks like an LED light going on there. It does have a bright light, and we do have a volume control on the side with the Edifier logo going on there, which is very nice to see. Now let's look at the headphones themselves. Now all in all, they have went for a more of a matte and a gloss approach to these headphones, which I am glad to see. On the sides here we do have a mesh fitting, which I've not seen before, which is actually quite nice. So you've got metal mesh going on the inside with the hologram inside, which I believe lights up. I believe that's where the LEDs come from. And then we have a gloss plastic going on the outside with the G2 logo going on there, which is quite nice. And the opposite side is the exact same, apart from the microphone slot, which is right there. It's quite nice about these slots is they do have two grooves on the inside, so you can't actually fit these wrong, and they will be fitted in there very nicely. Now on the top here we do have a brushed plastic going on with a dark matte colour with the Edifier logo again, which is very nice. And then as always we do have about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of extra headroom, so you're not going to have to worry about this not actually fitting your head, and it's nice to see. They have added a small amount of silver going on the inside, and I think that's pretty much just to split the colours up, and you know what, aesthetically looks extremely nice. Now we have the headband on the top, and as we can see that is relatively quite a thick size and extremely softer material there, so you've got kind of a more of a memory foam, so you're not going to have to worry about when you actually are wearing these that you're going to be uncomfortable. And you know, it's a respect, because Edifier do some amazing products, and comfort wise I've never had an issue, so I'm sure these are just going to be as great. Then as we can see on each side we do have the left and right going on there, and we do have quite a large diaphragm going on there, and there is a large amount of cushion going on there, and do you know what, the bounce back is actually really responsive, and it's really nice to see. And I believe with these, they really have went for more of a gamer look. They're very stealthy, they're very minimalistic. Yes, you have the cable, but still a lot of people seem to deal with cables, and you know what? It's really nice to see. So what we're going to do is I'm going to jump into some specifications about these, and we'll go from there. But I have to say they really are an incredible set of headphones. Like I said, the microphone as well. So the microphone does have little pins either side of there, so it can only fit in one way. And it just slides in like that. It just slides in like that, clicks in, so you don't have an issue, and it is slightly flexible as well. So if you don't want it in your face, you can just move it out the way, which is also nice to see. And then, as always, remember you do get the little cushion on the outside. So if this is something you're going to use, then definitely go for it. But it's quite nice that they added that in. It just means that you have a little bit more accessibility when it comes to the microphone. So what we'll do, jump to some specifications, and we'll go from there. So guys, when it comes to the Edifier G2 2 Series 7.1 surround sound USB gaming headsets, this really is a phenomenal sight to see. So yes, they are 7.1 surround sound, 360-degree surround sound effect. It also comes with RGB lighting effects with various colours, and it also comes with 15mm ND Feb unit for clear sounds. Now it also has attached to a removable high performance microphone, and these headphones definitely are compact design, allowing for a soft earmuff feel. So on the cable itself there is an easy inline adjustment, so you can conveniently control the lights, volume and also the microphone at any time during gameplay, so you don't have to swap out during the time play to actually change any form of the settings. And also the all-day comfort experience and design, so you won't feel any pressure on your head while wearing these headphones. So they really have went into the ergonomic design, allowing these to feel much more comfortable while wearing them, gaming them, or even editing anything you need. So guys, if you do want to go check out a set of these headphones for yourself, if you head down the links in the description, there'll be a link there so you can go grab a set for yourself. So guys, there we go. That was the headset. It was just a little bit of a short video because when it comes to headphones, I can't always express everything there is to know about them. That kind of has to be more of a user experience, especially when it comes to sound, the quality, and everything like that. So it's definitely one of those ones where you have to go grab a set for yourself. I have used these, I have gamed with these, and we had a Call of Duty session the other day, and ironically, I tend to forget they're on my head because they are extremely light. I did have the lights on, and ironically in a dark area, they do add to the aesthetic because you can see the RGB lighting through. And when it comes to the surround sound, I'm wearing them at the moment, and it really is clear. I don't have them plugged in or anything at the moment, but the surround sound is very clear, and it really does help. Especially when you are gaming, you know, you don't want any distractions or anything there. Or even when you're simply editing videos, you want every single bit of sound from that video coming towards you. And ironically, with a set of gaming headphones, they actually did really well. Yes, they are wired headphones, but you know, not everybody enjoys a wireless experience. You know, a wired connection is a perfect connection. It goes directly from the headphones to the device you are using. So if that is definitely something you want or interested in, I definitely say go check these out. Now, Edifier have never failed me when it comes to their audio equipment, music equipment, etc. And I have to say, they definitely did an amazing job with these headphones. So, as I say, if you go down the links in the description, there's a link there so where you can go check these out. And by all means, if you want to grab a set for yourself, I really do urge you, because the sound quality alone was pretty much impeccable. But as always, guys, if this video did help you in any way, shape or form, don't forget to drop the comments down below. And if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to help you. But as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my further videos.